If you're watching this, as we stand on the edge of a new year, I just want you to know something first. You're not just a subscriber. You're not just a number on a screen. You're part of this journey, a vital part of a community of builders, dreamers, and doers. Whether you've been here since the very beginning, watching those early unpolished videos, or you just joined recently, thank you. Thank you for your trust, your thoughtful comments, your support, and most importantly, your belief in what we're building here together. Every question you've asked has sharpened our focus. Every success story you've shared has fueled our mission. Creating an online business isn't easy, and choosing to even try, to take that first step into the unknown, already puts you ahead of so many. It takes courage to bet on yourself. This past year reminded us of something incredibly important. Lasting success online doesn't come from guessing, chasing fleeting trends, or burning out trying to do everything at once. That path only leads to frustration. It comes from clarity, consistency, and learning the right skills, step by step. It's about laying one brick perfectly, then the next, and then the next. And as we move into 2026, my commitment to you is simple, and it's stronger than ever. No hype, no shortcuts, no empty promises of overnight riches. Just real, actionable strategies for building sustainable income online. We'll double down on what works, authentic affiliate marketing, where you only recommend products you truly believe in. We'll master creating and selling digital products that solve real problems for people. And we'll continue to explore how to create valuable content and use AI not as a replacement for creativity, but as a powerful assistant to help us work smarter, not harder. Less noise, more focus, more meaningful results. Now, I want to speak directly to anyone who has ever felt behind, stuck, or unsure of the next step. Hear this: you are not late. The opportunity hasn't passed you by. You're simply learning, and every master was once a beginner. Your journey is your own, and 2026 can be the year everything starts to click into place. It can be the year of planting seeds that will grow for years to come. So, stay with me. Stay focused on your next single step, and let's build something real, something you can be proud of, together in 2026. Let's make this our year for clarity and growth. Thank you for being here. I am genuinely excited for what's ahead for you. Happy New Year!